All right, let's dive into this explainer on the crazy new reality of American economic security.
So, ask yourself, does busting your tail actually guarantee financial security in today's economy? Well, first we got to separate income, the cash you earn, from true wealth, which is what you actually keep. See, income flows like water. That means even top-tier earners can have absolutely zero actual wealth.
And get this RAND data. It proves that just hustling harder totally fails to close deep, systemic wealth gaps. Staggeringly, unemployed white households often literally hold a higher net worth than fully employed Black households. Crazy, right?
So, with the old paths to wealth basically hitting a brick wall, how are we adapting?
Enter the gig economy. A massive 70 million Americans have now pivoted straight into freelancing. Together, these independent workers are pumping a mind-blowing $1.27 trillion into the U.S. economy.
It's totally the new norm. 72% of Americans either have a side hustle or want one. Millennials are leading the pack here, pulling in over $1,100 a month from side gigs.
And the ceiling? It's soaring. Over 5.6 million freelancers now rake in six figures every single year.
But wait, this hustle has a dark side. A staggering 67% of gig workers experience severe burnout.
Plus, income still doesn't equal security. 80% of full-time gig workers couldn't cover a sudden emergency.
And the gig economy actually imports old problems, rocking a wider gender pay gap than traditional jobs do.
This is sparking a massive legal battle over classification, threatening access to absolute basics like minimum wage. Now, throw AI into the mix. 60% of freelancers are already using AI tools right now. Sure, AI crushes routine data entry, but it heavily rewards those with specialized, highly strategic human skills.
The ultimate reality? We're looking at a hybrid future, weaving full-time stability together with specialized gig work.
The old rules are completely gone. So in this AI-driven world, how will you redefine your security?